Why should anyone use your platform? Are you subject to the same reporting requirements as, say, Ally Invest or Robinhood? Or are you regulated in a manner where you are less transparent?
Happy to take this. So Nadex is regulated by the CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So same regulation as CME, anybody doing futures. Nadex is what's called a DCO, DCM. So self-clearing, it is an exchange. We are here to match buyers and sellers. So we do have regulatory requirements that go on with that. Transparency, this is the important part of an exchange, is the transparency. If you need to see settlement, you can see exactly how we do settlement. You want to know where your funds are held. They're held in top tier banks. We have it on our website. So very transparent. And if you do have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to address those.